What's happening, guys? My name is Jeff Lopilato. I am a graphic designer, talking about all things graphic design, college, achieving your dreams, starting your career, everything in between on this channel. I'm back here today with another logo review video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Cloud9 logo. Cloud9 is an esports organization with teams in almost every competitive game, it seems. They are one of the largest esports organizations in the world, and they have a lot of trophies under their name and different championships and big feats of accomplishments and things like that. So we're going to get into their logo today. So let's see what we're working with. Alright, so Cloud9. Looking at it right away, this is a really strong logo design. The icon is very simple, and it is extremely clever at the same time. They're using the same 9 shape that they have as the base to create this cloud icon. Super clever. This is really cool. Yeah, I love it. So there's 3 9s that make up the whole logo, and it looks like this little cloud icon, but it's made up of the 9s. It's really awesome, really clever. All the spacing is perfect. It feels compact enough, it feels simple enough, it conveys, you know, the message of, you know, the Cloud9. It just, yeah, I don't know. There's not enough good things to say about this. It looks really nice. I am also loving the blue. The nice thing about something like this too is it will fit. You know, the lines are thick enough where you shrink it down, you're still gonna be able to read it no problem. If it doesn't accompany any type, like if you remove the type Cloud9, then it's still super recognizable, because how can you not? It's literally a cloud made up of 9s. So what other company, what other organization is this representing, you know? So very communicative, and yeah, like, it's just so simple. It's so awesome. You can apply this to so many different things. This is going to fit everywhere. It'll fit within shapes. You can apply, you know, fun gradients to this. It's a really interesting shape to animate. It's just so versatile, and it gives you something really nice to represent your company. So extremely strong icon here. For the type is really nice. It's just, you know, a clean sans serif. Feels a little bit more I don't know, modern, I guess you could say. We have, noticeably in the U is where I'm kind of getting that modern, almost futuristic kind of feel, a little sci-fi almost, which makes sense for video games, I would say. So the U on the left side kind of comes into a curve, but then we have a point on the right side, and so that feels really nice. I like the type. Everything looks like it's working together really nicely. And then obviously we have that same 9 on the end here. The only thing I guess I would say is that, you know, maybe the positioning of the 9 feels a little off balance, kind of. I don't know, I can't really tell. So they've aligned it with kind of the top of the 9 here with the top of the D, so that's the cap height in design terms. So the cap height comes right to the top of the D and the arc of the 9, and then the rest of the 9 kind of falls below the baseline of the rest of the type. So I don't know, I'd be curious to see what it would look like if we shaped it to the same size as the type. I mean, I'm sure they tried that. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look bad or anything. Just for some reason feels a little off balance to me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. It doesn't even matter, because overall, you know, that icon is so freaking strong that I don't even think they need type, to be honest with you. It's like the next Nike. Like, you recognize that icon anywhere. So I don't know. My advice, I guess, get rid of the Cloud9 type. Just start pushing the icon only, and see how it goes maybe. But yeah. So again, to wrap up, the icon created out of this, all the nines, the three nines, kind of make up this shape of a cloud icon. Very simple, communicative, lots of adaptability, very versatile for all different forms of media. It just looks really nice. One thing that I want to do, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, is check out some of the jerseys. So let's look at the applications for this logo. That's also really nice, because it's one thing to look at a logo right on and be like, yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, guys, so as I'm talking, I'm like looking on Google Images, and this is the versatility that I'm talking about right here. Look at the front of this jersey. This is so sick. Like, that icon, you blow it up and it creates this really interesting pattern on the shirt. You can tell it's a 9, and I love how it comes into, like, the 9 is white, but then they've made just the left sleeve white, so it kind of becomes part of the sleeve, and you can like read the 9, but you don't see the full shape of it. And then, you know, right inside the 9, it creates this little circle, perfect for putting a smaller version of the full icon, Cloud9. This is, yeah, this is a super, super strong logo. Like I said, it was versatile. You can already see why I was saying that, because there's just so many ways to adapt it into, you know, creating interesting design. I wasn't even thinking about patterns, but yeah, you blow it up like this, and you know, look at all these cool shapes that it's making with the blue too. You know, you even get like a 9 shape with the negative space of the blue. Do you see that? Right inside the 9 that goes up to the collar and the left shoulder of the jersey, you can see there's just like a circle of blue and then a straight line down. That's the shape of a 9 too. So like, super, super cool design. It's just awesome, guys. It's such an awesome logo. I like want one of these jerseys just because they're so cool looking. Let me see if I can find another jersey. Okay, here we go. So this is another one. This is a concept, so I don't think this is necessarily something that they use, but you could even like see how adaptable this icon is. Like, yeah, you can use it down on the bottom to create this really interesting shape for the bottom of the jersey in the white, and then just have a huge Cloud9 across the chest. I think this looks super cool too. Like I said, I don't think they use this. This was done by Michael McKay. Shout out to you for doing this little concept here. But yeah, like, this logo is just so versatile. It's super awesome. They really outdid themselves. Whoever created this logo, the cloud icon is just amazing. Really, really nice. So let me know what you guys think of the Cloud9 logo. Do you agree with my opinion on it? Do you have other thoughts? Is there anything that I missed? And if you just want to provide some more information about it, then go for it. I would love to learn a little bit more, like maybe who created it. I'm sure somebody out there knows who it is. I could probably look it up for myself too if I wanted to. I'd be really curious to find that out. But yeah, I'm a really big fan of this logo. I think it's really, really nice. Definitely set themselves up for plenty of uses for it as time moves on too. That's another really important thing with logo design, is timelessness. And I think this feels timeless. I don't see them ever having to think about a redesign in the future. You know, maybe eventually, like I said, there could be talks of just eliminating the use of the type Cloud9 because the icon is so communicative on its own, kind of like what Nike does. Who knows? Maybe they'll reach a notoriety level great enough where they'll feel like they can get away with that. I think that would be really fun. So yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos. I love making these. and so I obviously will continue to make these kinds of videos if you like them. Go over to the channel, click the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed so you don't miss out on any of the future content that I post. I talk about logo design, general graphic design, studying it in college, starting your career, all things graphic design directed at people who are looking to get into it, starting themselves up. If you're a student, whatever it is, that's what we talk about here on this channel, and I appreciate all of your guys' support with all of the content that I am making. So thanks again, guys, much appreciated. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.